Hey, good to have you here. Let me ask you something real quick. How does your laptop feel to you? Like, does it actually feel like yours? Or does it still look like every other gray slab out there? That's what crossed my mind when I came across something called the 3D laptop cover. Now, before you jump to conclusions, no, this isn't just another generic laptop sticker. But also, it's not some over-the-top accessory trying too hard. It's somewhere in the middle, that sweet spot where utility meets personal style. And maybe that's what's been missing from your setup all along. Because let's be honest, your laptop is your daily companion. Whether you're a student, a designer, a freelancer, or just someone working remotely, that machine goes everywhere with you. And if you're staring at it for hours every day, why shouldn't it say something about you? So, what exactly is this product? From what I've seen on the official site, this 3D laptop cover is designed to turn a boring, plain device into something a bit more bold, a little more you. These aren't just one-color skins. They come in eye-catching 3D-style visuals with designs like a cracked screen illusion, wood texture, flames, lightning, and even abstract modern art. The visuals pop, they're vibrant, layered, and definitely stand out. But what's inside the package? Pretty straightforward. You get a high-quality adhesive laptop skin that fits your machine and adds that 3D design flair. It's easy to apply, doesn't leave residue if you remove it, and fits most standard laptop sizes. Functionally, it's not just about looks. It actually protects your laptop from scratches, dust, and mild wear and tear. So while you're getting the visual upgrade, you're also adding a layer of protection, which, let's be real, is something every laptop needs over time. Now let's talk about value. The price for one of these covers is $19. That's not just affordable, it's kind of a no-brainer when you consider how much laptops cost and how little people invest in making them look better or last longer. And unlike bulky cases, this gives you aesthetic and function without adding weight. Of course, not every design will be everyone's style. Some people might prefer minimalist, some love the bolder ones, and that's the point. The site offers a variety of options, so you're not locked into one vibe. And yes, there's customer support available if anything's off with your order. Plus, the site has a return and refund policy in place if things don't match up to expectations. So what's the takeaway? If you're someone who wants your gear to feel more personal, more expressive, while also giving it a bit of everyday protection, this is a super simple upgrade that doesn't break the bank. It's aesthetic meets function, clean, bold, and something that actually makes your laptop yours. Check out the official website using the link in the description. That's where you'll find all the current styles and the $19 price. And yeah, grab the one that speaks to you. Your workspace deserves a little more character. Catch you in the next one.